Hi guys! Hi guys! So today, we are going on a hike. We're gonna walk to the mountains. Today, we're in the car right now. Today, we're waiting to go to the mountain. Then we go back to our car. We have Mommy and Daddy. And only my Mommy. This is my Mommy. And your favorite Daddy. And your favorite Deborah. I didn't guys were recording, but I wanted to show this. I'm gonna show you guys the sky outside. The sky.
Okay, good morning guys. So akit kami uli ngayon with the gang. Mga kids guys. Ayan.
Hi.
Good morning. Let's go.
It has so many letters.
Ang alin?
So many letters.
Yung?
Yung dog.
Asan yung dog?
It's running away.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa taas. Pagod ba yung mga baby ko? Yeah.
Mama, where's the jump rope?
Nag-jumping rope ka?
But there's so many. So cold.
What, Sarah?
It's so cold.
So cold? Init na. Cold
No.
ba?
No, the outside is cold.
Cold po? Bumili ng water si Daddy. Sarah! Sari, may mga naabutan kami dito. Ayan. Wala eh, hindi sumagot ng Monday. Tulog.
Sabi pa naman, sino character makikita namin.
someone pushes the cat? What if someone pushes the cat? Bayad ng yun. Wala. Mahaba ba yun?
Ano yun? Kwento mo muna. Sige, kwento mo muna.
Oh my gosh, it's a butterfly! What? Ano kasi?
Tapos.
Chichismisan. Chismisan to the mouth.
Mami. Ano?
Walk na. Walk na tayo.
Why? Tired na?
Oh, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want na? Tired na? Oh, what will you say to daddy na? Daddy?
Daddy, carry me.
What?
Carry me po. Nagpakarga na. Good na siya. Ito yun. Pagod na.
Ano, carry din?
Malapit na tayo sa Tosilog.
Hungry sila.
Malapit na tayo sa Tosilog.
Wow, this boy is so fast.
Okay ba, Sarah? Approve?
Approve.
Approve.
Approve.